Hello everyone, welcome back to another ChatGPT tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to train ChatGPT to write in your style, your tone of voice, the way you write your own content. Also, I'm going to show you another example where you can teach ChatGPT to write in a style of somebody else's. For example, I'm going to use cracked.com. They've got like a funny website, they're kind of irreverent and funny and humorous and all that stuff. I'm going to show you how I can write content and train GPT to write in their style. So here we go. The first step is I wrote into the chat, are you able to analyze text for tone of voice and style? Yes, I have been trained to analyze text for tone of voice and style. It answered me. Perfect. The next step, and I've got this in my description below, so you can just copy paste it, but what you want to do is you want to go analyze the following text for tone of voice and style. Apply that exact style and tone of voice to all your future responses for this one chat. Keep that in mind. This won't do it forever. It'll do it for this chat. Okay, good. So we've got that in mind. Now, look at this. Here's what I did. I hit that, and then I copied and pasted in the article from cracked.com underneath it. So if I go to cracked.com, I clicked on this, and then I just took this content, and then I just copy pasted it in. So how did I do it? Again, analyze this, semicolon, or colon, pardon me, and then I just added this in, and then I hit enter. What happens next? It tells you what the tone of voice is. The tone of voice in this text is humorous and sarcastic with a hint of alarm, etc., 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 uses colloquialisms. All right, cool. Then I write a 300-word blog post in this style about how The Fast and the Furious Part 6 was a cinematic masterpiece. Obviously a ridiculous comment, and I'm looking for it to see if it can match the kind of humorous, goofy style from crack.com. And here's what it came back with. Oh boy, buckle up, folks, because we're about to take a wild ride through the highways of our hearts and into the hearts of one of the greatest cinematic masterpieces of all time, The Fast and the Furious Part 6. Now, if you read through this, let's start with the facts. Part 6 has it all. We've got Vin Diesel and all his muscles that could bench press a small elephant. We've got the iconic Paul Walker in all his golden-haired glory. And, of course, we've got the cars, sweet, sweet, heart-stopping cars. It has matched the tone and style from crack.com, which is what I wanted to show you. And it's very hard to write humorous, sarcastic, and then really get that as a chatbot, but it's done it. So this is how you do it. The content's in the description below. If you want to just copy paste it, you're good to go. Thanks for watching.